Suicide, suicidal thoughts, self-harm, fear, lack of interest, behavior change. Hi, this is Sandeep Singh Rathod. I made a poll on Instagram. I asked my first video is based on which topic. 200 plus people click mental health issue. So let's discuss about mental health issue. What is mental health or mental illness? Mental illness is a general term which is related to person's behavior, perception, thought, feeling. In mental illness, there are many disorders like bipolar disorder, borderline personality disorder, autism, anxiety, mania, phobia, depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, etc. There are many disorders, but there is one thing is common nowadays. It's depression. Depression is very common in world. In India, 10 million cases are found every year. Sushant Singh Rajput, Sandeep Nahar, Kate Spade suffered from depression, and Rock recently discussed about depression. Depression is very common in every age group. Age doesn't relate to depression. Even a 10-year-old kid have depression. So what is depression? Depression is a general term in which person continuously have feeling of sadness and lack of interest in anything. So how we can say that person is suffering from depression or not? There are many symptoms. So if anyone has these symptoms, so we can say that he or she is suffering from depression. Let's discuss about symptoms of depression. First, overthinking. In this, person keep thinking about negativity and overthink on every topic. He always think negative, like it can't happen, it won't happen, I can't do that, they won't accept me, I will fail, like this. In some cases, people think about self-harm, suicidal thought, like that. Lack of interest in anything. Whatever the person do, he don't feel good, he just feel lack of interest. Sleeping change. Person can't sleep properly. Maybe he wake up after 2 hours of sleep, or he wake up in early morning, he can't sleep properly. Appetite change. He eat less or more. So that's why he gain weight or lose weight. He can't concentrate in anything, inability to concentrate. Whatever he do, but he can't concentrate properly. And isolation. He live alone. He isolate himself from everyone, like family, from friends, from partner. And most common is deep feeling of sadness and dark moods. When he or she is suffering from depression, he easily get addicted to drugs, alcohol, weed, cigarette. Basically, they want to escape from reality and they want to live in a dream life, or we can say that in a pleasure life. If anyone has these symptoms more than 2 weeks, he should take it seriously. Maybe he or she is suffering from depression. If you saw anyone in your family, in your friend circle have these symptoms, please pay attention to him. Your one step maybe save his life. Your one initiation can save him. What are the components of depression? There are two components. One is biological, second is psychological. Biological component is related to your brain. Your brain stop releasing some chemical or release some chemicals in excessive, like dopamine hormone. When your brain stop releasing dopamine, you feel sad, or your brain release cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone. The level of cortisol in your mind decide how much stress you have. And there is a complex structure in your brain called amygdala, which decide or which control your fear, the level of your fear. You will fight or run from the situation. And the psychological component, when person failed in something like exam, something in job, he has personal loss, he has money loss, he get separated from his partner, whatever the reason, he can't move on from that situation. He keep thinking about it and negative and negative and negative. So he can't move on from that. That is psychological factor that decide a lot. Now, question is that how we can come out from depression, how we can get rid of it. There are many solutions. You can do that. Let's discuss. First, meditation. When you do meditation, after 10 days or 20 days, you start realizing what is important for you, what is useful for you, what is useless for you, and you start asking yourself one question: what is useful for me and what is useless for me? and eat on time and eat good food and try to maintain a healthy lifestyle and sleep on time and start focusing what is important and do yoga and exercise, because when you do yoga or exercise the level of cortisol in your mind start decreasing, so you can feel more well. And most important, if the person is suffering from depression, need a professional help, he should contact professional one or expert in that field like psychologist, therapist, psychiatrist, so he can come out from depression easily. Whatever the solution I told you, like meditation, do exercise and yoga, if you do, it will definitely help you in your fight with depression. And have little faith in yourself. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can get out from it. Whatever I told you in this video, this is the general information about depression, but mostly people don't know about it. So they can't identify if person is suffering from depression or not. Remember one thing, if person have these symptoms, whatever I told you in that video, more than 2 weeks, please pay attention to them, because that kind of people need you more. And if you have any query about depression, just text me on Instagram. I will give my best to help you and clear your doubt. And thanks for watching.